This is Andre Banks coming today from Banks Credit Chat. Taking a reviewer's request from one person asked for one of my videos, what is a debt management program and what are the 5 debt management programs that maybe I would recommend or even consider? So I'm going to kind of answer both of these questions and make it as condensed as possible. A debt management program, for those who are not familiar, is a payment program, payment plan I should state, that allows you to pay off all your consumer credit card, some collection accounts, and maybe even some personal loans. They consolidate into one payment and allows you to pay off that debt, 100% of that debt, in 3 to 5 years. The kicker is that it's done with a non-profit credit counseling agency. Now, even though I've done some videos where nonprofits don't operate as nonprofits, generally speaking, that is the basis of the debt management program company that you're going to be looking for. One that specifically has that title of nonprofit and tries to provide some level of credit counseling as part of their package. So let me repeat that again. A debt management program, a debt management payment plan, is a debt management payment plan, debt management program, either one, you can use those terms interchangeably, is a payment plan that allows you to pay off 100% of your debt in 3 to 5 years without the creditor taking less than what is actually owed, and it's at a reduced interest rate for all the creditors that you have under the plan. So essentially it consolidates every credit card that you might have, some collection accounts, some personal loans. Again, these vary, but mainly the aspect is for the main objective is for the credit card itself to be consolidated in one payment plan where you're paying a reduced interest rate, which is agreed to by the creditors, and that's where the debt management program company comes in play, because they usually have a relationship with the particular creditors that allows them to set the plan under a reduced interest rate. Does it have an impact on your credit report? Initially it will, because you're going to have to take a hit and it has to be time for it to work out. But again, it's not looking to pay less than what is actually owed. It's looking at paying 100% of what is actually still owed at just at a reduced interest rates, making the payment plan more affordable. And they consolidate into one payment plan. Try to stay away from programs that give you loans itself. A debt management program should be really based on the lenders having a relationship with the non-profit credit counsel agency. And I stress non-profit credit counsel agency, even though I've done videos before where a lot of non-profit credit counsel agencies start functioning like profits for profit companies, but case in whole, just try to focus on the ones that at least have that banner. What are the top 5 credit counseling agencies? Well, it's hard to recommend anybody because I'm not operating as a credit counselor anymore. But the one I used to work for was Money Manager International, and at the time, and this is a couple years ago, it was the largest non-profit credit counsel agency, and they gobbled up a number of non-credit counsel agencies. But there's other ones that still exist out there. There's Green Path Financial Solutions, Green Path Financial Wellness. I'm looking at it, I wrote my notes. American Consumer Credit Cards, American Consumer Credit Counseling. Again, these may be gobbled up into another company because that's how they function. There's Cambridge Credit Counseling and there's Consolidated Credit. All of these have function in that non-profit credit barrier. I would suggest doing a little research on each and every one of them and see which one has the better understanding and better rating before you even call them. Just a Google search will allow you to do that. But these are the 5 that are the most recommended, the ones that I know about, and one that I've actually worked for and can vouch for, which is Money Manager International. Even though I have my qualms about it, it did buy a number of for the lack of a better term, it did consolidate and grow and take on a number of different companies to make it under this one banner, which is Money Manager International. There's Green Path Financial Wellness, American Consumer Credit Counseling, Cambridge Credit Counseling, and Consolidated Credit. So if this video has been any value to you, please subscribe, leave some comments. Until my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.